Ready to make your own cannabis infused butter? It's a kitchen essential for edibles and super easy to prepare. Let's get started. Start with 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Add them to a saucepan over low heat, allowing the butter to melt slowly. This will ensure a smooth infusion without burning. Now, add 7 grams of decarb cannabis into the melted butter. If you're unsure how to decarb cannabis, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for about 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally. Keep the heat low to avoid degrading the cannabinoids. Gentle bubbling is key. Once the infusion is complete, remove the pan from heat. Place a cheesecloth over a clean bowl and carefully pour the mixture through to strain out the plant material. Gently squeeze the cheesecloth to extract every drop of infused butter. Transfer the strained butter to a container and let it cool at room temperature. Once it's cool, refrigerate until it solidifies. And there you have it, your own cannabis-infused butter. Perfect for baking, cooking, or spreading on your favorite snacks. Enjoy your infused butter in all your favorite recipes and let us know what you create. Happy infusing.